money on this. So we got an 034 chainsaw that we broke the handle on. What are you hiding from? You can still see that's a wide angle. Anyways, it's got a broken handle on it. As you can see, what we did was he grounded this part out here a little bit. Been working on a piece of metal here. Big of a deal. Anyways, we got a piece of metal. What we're going to do is we're going to fix it down in here. We're going to wrap it around. This is just about got it right size. We're going to drill some holes through this piece of metal and through the handle. And he's got a handy dandy rivet gun somewhere out there. And we're going to do it. And we're going to drill holes through here. Rivet it up and we'll see if it works. If it does work, you'll see the video. If it doesn't work, you won't see the video.
Like, go ahead and get my holes through.
You're not going to get rid of it. No, you won't. See what I'm saying? Right here you will be able to, but not down there you won't. See what I'm saying? Well, he's going the other way.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to go in.
Fucking retard.
Ideal for drilling holes. I'm trying not to push too hard because I don't want to bust a bit, but I'm trying to waller it around. Where'd that snap? Now we're going to get that bend right.
I think you need better than that.
Yeah, but I think it needs to be more down here. Close enough. I'm ready to pull it down.
Tap it. Okay. Try over here. A little harder than that. There you go. Hold on. Before we get crazy, let's make sure it's lined up back here.
Yeah. Well.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. What's this shit made out of?
Steel. Ooh, how am I gonna have to come in this way?
Yeah.
This way. Because I can't get in through this way.
There we go. I thought we were getting shot. riveting our little metal piece that we made and finagled and worked on and riveting it to the bottom of the saw. Oh, fuck yeah.
Now we're going to drill the motor.
That's just with one button.
Not worried about sideways.
Yeah.
Or up and down.
When you fill that crack in with epoxy or something like that, that son of a bitch is set. Alright, so we've got the fix done with the rivets. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some fiberglass. We cut up a red shop rag. What's left of it. We've stuffed it down in this crack here. We're going to mix a little fiberglass up, put it along this crack here, probably over these here, give it some structure, and then we're going to sand it down tomorrow. Little fiberglass goes out a long way. Alright, in an hour, that'll be hard enough you can tap on it. 5 minutes. So, we've got the saw completely repaired. We went ahead and mixed up some fiberglass resin, put it on here. It's very tacky, very jelly-like right now, but it's not 100% cured yet. So we're going to let that cure some more, but it's fixed. You don't have to do the fiberglass. Just those rivets alone did the job. We're just trying to make it look a little prettier too. This is a 1979 stihl 034 AV. Okay, YouTube. It's about 30 bagillion degrees in here. It's not very warm outside. I've had that heater on right there for about an hour and a half, so it's pretty warm in here. Did the fiberglass repair on this chainsaw. I showed you in the other videos. We drilled it out. We got a piece of metal. It's a band clamp off a turbo. Stainless steel. Not very thick at all, but really stout. We ended up bending that to fit on the bottom like I showed you guys last night. So we did the fiberglass work here. We filled that and everything with red shop towel, and then your fiberglass resin. Anyways, we got some runs here where it ran from the underside. So I'm gonna knock that down here. Like I said, I'm gonna sand this down here. 320 sandpaper on, so not really heavy grit. Harbor Freight cheapie. Makes quick work of it though. So I've knocked this edge back down. Looking pretty flat. I took the runs out that ran out from the bottom. That's looking pretty good. Flip the saw over here, and this is all just the red shop rag. What we're going to do is sand this down so it's all pretty flat. I could have probably filled in there some more, but I'm not going for perfect. I'm just going for functional. So here's the saw. Nothing we got left to do now is paint. But I don't think he's going to paint it. You'll see now, it's nice and sturdy, no longer broken. It's about as good as fixed as you're going to get for maybe 10 bucks. I mean, we didn't use half of the fiberglass, didn't even use a quarter of it. Already had it laying around and a couple rivets. Okay guys, as you can see, it's just nice and smooth. The whole bottom side is fiberglass filled just for the extra structure. The whole top has been fiberglassed. Also, the crack has been fiberglassed, and we put a little bit of fiberglass over rivets just to make it look a little bit better. If this video helped you guys fix your saw, please like it, rate it, subscribe it, whatever. Hope it does you guys just as good as it does us.